Hello, I'm Felix and I'm in front of our Powerfuse. And beside our 3 product launches, one of the key highlight topics is the green transformation of vapor smoothing. With the green transformation, we mean the switch from PFAS solvents to green solvents. And when we introduced our Powerfuse back in 2019, we kind of started this initiative, and we are very happy to see a strong acceleration in the last months and years and more demand for our green solution in the industry. There are plenty of benefits when customers choose green solvents. One of the key benefits is better economics. You can achieve this through different things, but one example is we reuse our solvent already within the machine. That's a big plus. And PFAS solvents are way more expensive in general. So if you want to scale vapor smoothing, it's all about reducing cost per part. And the best and sustainable way to do this is to use green solvents. Another benefit is investing in green vapor smoothing solutions are future-proof because there are no regulations or initiative like all the PFAS initiatives where you have the risk that the solvent will be completely banned in the future. Another big benefit is certifications. When you use green solvents, it's way easier to get certifications for various applications, and it's also easier to be compliant with regulations like the FDA, etc. And there are even more benefits. Also, a very important and major benefit is if you use green solvents, you need more advanced technology and more advanced machines. And one example is the strong vacuum that we apply and the vapor generation that we have. So what we can achieve is we can smooth parts no matter how complex they are. So green solvents lead to more advanced machines, and that leads to better results on the parts of the customers. So it's time to phase out PFAS, and we are here to drive the green transformation together with our customers.